In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter estimated tax payments in TurboTax. If you made quarterly estimated tax payments during the year, entering them correctly in TurboTax ensures you get full credit and avoid an underpayment penalty. Before we start, have your records handy, things like bank confirmations, check images, or IRS payment receipts, so you know the exact amounts and the dates you paid for each quarter. Once you're in your return, head to the main navigation and hover over deductions and credits. This takes you to the area where TurboTax gathers information that can lower your tax or apply payments that you've already made. When you see the option for the deductions and credits summary, click it to open the full list of topics. Next, look for the section labeled Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. This is the spot where TurboTax groups estimated tax items together so you can enter them all in one place. Go ahead and click that option to move forward. You may see choices for both federal and, if applicable, state estimated payments here. Stay focused on the federal payments first. The layout is similar, and TurboTax will guide you through what applies to your situation. Inside estimated tax payments, select Revisit. That opens the entry screens where you can add or edit what you paid each quarter. You'll see fields for the first, second, third, and fourth quarters. For each one, enter the exact dollar amount you paid and the date the payment cleared. If you didn't make a payment for a particular quarter, leave it blank or enter 0 so your totals remain accurate. A helpful reminder on timing. The first quarter is typically due in April, the second in June, the third in September, and the fourth in January of the following year. If you paid on a different date, that's okay. Just use the actual date from your confirmation. Make sure the year matches the tax year you're filing for, and avoid mixing in prior year catch-up payments unless they truly apply to this return. Enter whole dollars if your records are rounded, and don't use negative numbers. TurboTax handles the math for you. As you move through each quarter, double-check amounts to avoid duplicates, especially if you used both direct pay and check during the year. When everything looks right, continue to the next screen. TurboTax autosaves as you go, so your entries will be preserved. That's it. By entering your estimated payments here, TurboTax will apply them against your total tax and update your refund or balance due accordingly. Finish reviewing your return as usual and you'll be set.